The first recorded landslide of such magnitude took place in 1099 in the Loess Plateau of China. A massive chunk of earth gave way, burying entire villages and taking the lives of over 100,000 people. The Loess Plateau, with its loose and easily eroded soil, has been the site of countless landslides throughout history. Fast forward to 1786, and we find ourselves in the Dadu River Valley in Sichuan, China. Here, an earthquake triggered a massive landslide which created a natural dam. When this dam collapsed, it resulted in a catastrophic flood that claimed approximately 100,000 lives. Not all landslides are caused by earthquakes. In 1826, Vevkani, a small village in the Ottoman Empire, now North Macedonia, was the site of a landslide triggered by heavy rains. The resulting devastation wiped out the entire village, leaving only a few survivors. In 1903, the deadliest landslide in Canadian history occurred in Frank, Alberta. A massive rock slide buried the eastern edge of the coal mining town, killing nearly 90 people. The event is now famously known as the Frank Slide. Moving ahead to 1949 in the USSR, the Kate landslide resulted from a combination of heavy rain and snowmelt. The village of Kate was completely destroyed and over 1,200 lives were lost. Now let's journey to the Peruvian Andes. In 1970, the Ancash earthquake triggered the world's deadliest avalanche in history, which is technically a type of landslide. This disaster killed approximately 70,000 people. Just 4 years later, in 1974, the deadliest landslide in United States history took place. The Nelson County flood in Virginia was triggered by the remnants of Hurricane Camille, causing devastating landslides and killing 123 people. In 1999, Venezuela was struck by the Vargas tragedy, a series of landslides and floods that killed between 10 and 30,000 people. This disaster was caused by heavy rains that lasted for weeks. In 2010, landslides resulted from monsoon rains in Zhoukouc County, China, claimed over 1,700 lives. The area's steep slopes and loose soil made it especially prone to such disasters. Most recently, in 2014, the Oso mudslide in Washington State, USA, resulted in 43 casualties. A portion of a hill collapsed, and the resulting mudslide buried a neighborhood and cut off a main highway. So landslides, while often overlooked, are a potent and deadly force of nature. They remind us of the raw power the earth holds and the fragility of human life in the face of such might. From the Loess Plateau in 1099 to Oso in 2014, these incidents of devastation stand as stark reminders to respect and understand our world and its potential for sudden and catastrophic change.